Okay, on page 46, I really only want to do one problem so that you have some practice problems to deal with. But we'll do number one and we'll kind of see how it goes. So the key in this is, number one, name the parent function. So the parent function in this case is y equals x squared. And then we need to find that key point. And that key point for a parabola is the vertex. If it were an absolute value like the second problem, it'd be the similar point called the vertex, but it's that bottom point. If it were the square root like number 3, it's that end point where the graph starts, and then number 4 is a parabola again. So in our case right here, there's our vertex. And if I write on that ordered pair, it's -1, 3, which means our graph got shifted to the left 1 and up 3. So I'm going to rewrite my equation. I now have y equals x plus 1 squared plus 3. That's just vertex form. The only thing I now need to worry about is whether there was a stretchy thing out front. And the easiest way to figure out if there's a stretchy thing is to plug in one of these points right here. So really what I have is, I have y equals a, some stretchy value that may or may not exist, x plus 1 squared plus 3. And I picked to use this point right here because it's a beautiful point because 0 is part of the ordered pair. And so this ordered pair right here is 0, 1. So on the next page, I'm going to work this out. So again, we had f of x equals a, x plus 1 squared plus 3. We're going to plug in our beautiful ordered pair 0, 1. So I have 1 equals a, 0 plus 1 squared plus 3. And I'm just going to use my algebra skills and solve. -3, -2 equals a times 1. So a equals -2, which makes absolute sense because we know that a had to be negative because this parabola opens down. So if I were to write an equation for my parabola, it's going to be f of x equals -2 x plus 1 squared plus 3. And so the directions again say write an equation for the graphs below based on the parent function and the transformations. And you, my friends, have successfully done that. Congratulations. Good job.